Welcome back, everyone. Here is a question for you. How do you know if you're making progress or staying busy? The answer lies in tracking your steps, measuring your strides, and knowing where you stand. Without it, you risk wandering in circles. In this lecture, we will talk about the tools that help you track and monitor progress. You will hear about both digital and manual methods. By the end of this lecture, you will understand why tracking progress matters, learn tools to monitor tasks and deadlines, discover how tracking can build motivation and accountability. Let's start this by understanding why tracking progress matters. Tracking keeps you on course. Without it, you lose sight of your goals. It's like running a marathon without mile markers. How do you know how far you have come or how much remains? Tracking makes the path clear. In business, tracking shows what works and what does not. It motivates teams as they see each step take them closer to the finish line. Progress isn't blur, it's a series of measurable steps. Following are the digital tools for tracking progress. Project management software. Trello, Asana, Monday.com. These tools are like command centers. They organize tasks, set deadlines, and give a bird's eye view of who's doing what. Take a marketing team planning a product launch. They might assign tasks like create social media ads or design email campaigns to team members, set deadlines, and update the dashboard as work gets done. Everyone sees progress and no one's left guessing. Time tracking apps. Toggle and Clockify track time spent on tasks. They help you work smarter and not harder. Imagine a freelance graphic designer timing their work on client logos. These apps generate reports showing where time slips away and where they can tighten the process. Efficiency becomes second nature. Here are some manual tools for tracking progress. Planners and journals. Sometimes pen and paper are enough. Writing tasks in a planner commits them to memory. Crossing them off feels good, a small victory for every completed job. Think of a student preparing for exams. They use a planner to schedule study sessions. Each tick mark is progress made, one subject at a time. Whiteboards and checklists. A whiteboard in an office might list daily goals. Bake 50 croissants, decorate 20 cakes, set up shelves. As tasks get done, they're crossed off, a clear sign of progress for everyone to see. Tracking isn't just about organization, it builds morale. A progress bar filling up or a checklist growing smaller can do wonders for motivation. Take a software team watching a project tracker. Each completed task moves the bar closer to 100%. It's a visible reward for hard work shared by the whole team. Productivity expert David Allen says it best. Your mind is for having ideas, not holding them. Tracking frees you to focus on action and not memory. A GPS shows you where you are, how far you have gone, and how far remains. It keeps you from getting lost. Tracking tools are no different. They keep you on the shortest path to success. Try one tracking tool, digital or manual, for a week. Use it to monitor personal or school-related goals. At the end, write a short reflection. Did it help you stay organized, motivated? What could have been better? Well, that marks the end of this lecture here. Alright, let's discuss what tools have you used to track progress. Did they work for you? What would you change? Share your thoughts in the comment section. See you in the next lecture.